Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies ease amid uncertain economic outlook. Bitcoin slips below $20,000. Cardano blockchain's Vasil upgrade confirmed for September 22. FIFA embraces NFTs tied to classic games. Highlights for World Cup 2022. RBI in talks with 4 banks. Fintechs for CBDC launch this financial year. Celsius shareholder BnkToTheFuture set to acquire crypto lender Sol. UBS calls off $1.4 billion deal to buy Robo-Adviser Wealthfront. Decentralized NFT marketplace Sudoswap announces Ethereum token Airdrop. Hacker steals Bill Murray's crypto after $185,000 NFT charity auction. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies gave up their gains Saturday as investors continue to remain concerned over the state of the world's biggest economy after data showed that the US economy was slowing down after aggressive Federal Reserve rate hikes. Bitcoin slipped below $20,000. US stocks ended lower Friday to cap their third straight weekly decline. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 fell 1.1% and 1% respectively. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index declined 1.3%. Crude oil rebounded, ending a 3-day slide while natural gas declined. The price of gold, a safe haven asset, rose 0.68%. Investors continue to remain wary over the outlook of the economy over the next few months, given that inflation is expected to remain sticky. Bitcoin was trading at around $19,950, down 0.5% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, eased to $1,570, down 0.4% in a similar time span. The Cardano blockchain's Vasil hard fork upgrade will take place on its main network on September 22, according to the network's development lab Input-Output or IOG. The upgrade is designed to increase Cardano's scaling capabilities and lower transaction costs. The upgrade was originally scheduled for a June release on a test network. The hard fork is a backward incompatible change to the software used to validate and produce new blocks. The 2022 World Cup in Qatar has been selected by FIFA, the governing body of soccer, as the launch date for an NFT-based collection of iconic clips from the event's past. Later this month, FIFA Plus Collect will debut, giving soccer fans the chance to own and trade moments in time, featuring the greatest goals, saves, celebrations, and more from World Cup and Women's World Cup history. In accordance with the contract signed in May to be a blockchain partner and wallet provider for Qatar 2022, the FIFA World Cup NFT clips will be linked to the Algorand blockchain. The Reserve Bank of India is holding consultations with a clutch of fintech companies and is said to have asked 4 public sector banks to run a pilot central bank digital currency project ahead of a possible rollout this financial year. The list of fintechs include US-based FIS, which has been holding roundtable conferences and workshops with central bankers globally on CBDCs. The fintech company is advising central banks on CBDC topics such as offline payments, programmable payments, new monetary policy toolkit, interest-bearing CBDC, fractional banking issues, financial inclusion, and cross-border CBDC payments. Salt Lending is set to be acquired by the BnkToTheFuture, an investment platform that allows clients to invest in crypto, fintech companies, and tokens. According to a press release, BnkToTheFuture has signed a letter of intent to acquire Salt, subject to the signing of definitive agreements and regulatory approval. Salt Lending, which was founded in 2016, allows users to receive fiat cash loans against their cryptocurrency collateral. According to the BnkToTheFuture, the acquisition will strengthen its position as a registered excluded securities business in the Cayman Islands. The investment platform also stated that it intends to create a solution for distressed lending companies that are unable to emerge from bankruptcy due to regulatory constraints. According to people familiar with the situation, it is interested in Celsius's loan book. It has a 5% stake in the lending firm. The deal, the terms of which were not disclosed, follows the struggles of some of its crypto lender competitors. Switzerland-based investment bank UBS said it was terminating a $1.4 billion all-cash deal to buy California-based Robo-Adviser Wealthfront. The Zurich-headquartered multinational bank UBS Group AG said an agreement to terminate the deal had been mutual and that UBS Americas Inc. will buy a $69.7 million note convertible into Wealthfront shares. One of the largest digital wealth management firms known as Robo-Advisors, Wealthfront caters primarily to millennial and Gen Z investors. A 60 million Ethereum-based Pseudo token initial supply would be distributed to various project participants, according to the decentralized NFT marketplace Sudoswap. The largest portion of the Pseudo drop will be distributed to holders of Oxmon, the utility token underlying the well-known NFT project known as Oxmons, through a block drop event. Additionally, holders of the Oxmon NFTs produced by GAN will receive 1.5% of the Pseudo supply. Given that the Oxmons team is also responsible for developing the NFT market, the substantial overlap between Sudoswap and them is not surprising. The announcement also stated that liquidity providers on Sudoswap would receive a retroactive distribution of 1.5% of the initial supply. Hours after the closing of Bill Murray's NFT auction that raised around $185,000 for charity Thursday, a hacker stole the funds. The hacker started to drain Murray's personal wallet at around 7 p.m. ET on Thursday, according to on-chain data from Etherscan and details from Murray's team. The unknown individual also attempted to take non-fungible tokens from the actor's personal collection. The hacker also tried to steal 800 NFTs from the Bill Murray collection that was sitting in the wallet, though Project Wingman said it foiled that attempt by moving those NFTs to a safe house too. They said they ran a script to automatically move the NFTs to safety. Murray's team says it's filed a police report and is working with crypto analytics firm Chainalysis to bring the attacker to justice. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.